YouTube, what's going on? Kevin the Tech Ninja here, and today we're going to talk about how to take your setup to the next level with Phillips Hue. If you haven't followed Hue in a while, then you probably don't know about their latest lights that they've released recently. So of course you know about the light bulbs and then the strips, but there's a whole lot more that Phillips Hue has to offer. Let's talk about it. This video is brought to you by the Home Depot. If you're interested in this item or other smart home items, make sure you check out the Home Depot using my link down below. So y'all know about Phillips Hue. For a while now, they've been the leader in multicolored smart bulbs. I covered them previously years ago, and since then I've upgraded my setup using Phillips Hue a ton. But one of the biggest annoyances with smart bulbs are the light switches. You try your best to tell people not to flick the light switch, or if you flick the light switch, then in the app, the bulb is offline and it creates a confusion and a problem. So Lutron has the remedy with their Castilla system. This is the Aurora. It's a button that goes over your light switch that will control the bulb. So now your old light switch is now a button that is programmable. So now you push a button that turns off and on the light via software. So you no longer have an issue with the bulb being offline because the light switch was flipped. Now everything is controlled right here on this button. So once you program the button, you can just tell it what you want it to do. Do you want it to dim the light, turn off the light? Do you want it to go into a different scene? All that is controlled within the button. And beyond the button, there's a ton of other switches too, but the one I want to show you is the smart fan control. This switch has programmable buttons for fan speeds, dimmer, and also just the power button. As you can see here, the switch is extremely high quality. It goes right into the wall, and then you have these LEDs telling you the status of your switch, like the brightness levels and also if it's on or off. Also with the fan control, you can control your fan right here too, all in one easy to use switch. Overall, these are some very versatile light switches by Lutron. They figured out what people really need in the smart home, and they have a easy to use installation to get what you want. I only covered a couple of their products here on this channel, but they have a lot more stuff. I'm going to leave a link down below to the Home Depot to pick it up, and also a link down below to their website to see what else they have. So these light bars that you see here are called the Hue Play. It comes in a 2-pack, and these bars are designed to be mounted in a variety of different ways. So this gives you colors and light in places where bulbs and light strips just don't make sense. You can adjust the colors with RGB and white light tones as well. Although the pack comes in 2, the power cord gives you the option to install a 3rd one. So if you do buy a set and you have one left over, you can easily plug right into the power adapter and have 3 on 1 switch. In the box, it does come with 2 mounting stations. It comes with some screws, some Allen wrenches, and also comes with double-sided 3M tape. So with the mounts, you have one that actually keeps it in the vertical position and one that goes horizontal. Obviously, the horizontal position is going to be like a desktop version of it, so you can have it sitting on a desk. The horizontal version allows you to use the 3M double-sided tape, and you can put that on the back of your TV, and that to me just looks really good. So just like other Hue products, you go into the app, you can adjust a lot of the colors, you can set scenes, you can do all sorts of different tweaks, but unfortunately, it does not match the colors to your TV. Philips just released an HDMI sync box recently, and this allows you to sync the image from your TV to the actual light source. But I do not have that piece of hardware for this video. So lastly, I'm going to talk about Hue Go. This is a portable smart light, and this little ball gives you the same colors as other Hue products, but in a portable style. The Go also has a built-in battery, and depending on the brightness or the actual scene or the color, it does affect the battery life greatly. So you can actually put it on dim, like nightlight mode, and you can get up to 24 hours. But if you put it on white, full blast brightness, then you get around a couple of hours. And once again, this is something you can put anywhere just to add a little bit of context, a little bit of detail, a little bit of ambiance to matter what's going on. Like right here, I actually have one sitting back there, and it just adds a nice cool glow to the room, and it looks really good. Once again, right in the app, you change all the colors. It has the same amount of colors as everything else in the Hue product line. You can add it to a room, add it to a scene, all those things that you do with Hue already. You can just add that into the lexicon of Hue products. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. Just want to show you a quick video on how to customize your setup using Hue. Once again, a big thanks to the Home Depot for sponsoring this video. Kevin the Tech Ninja, have a great day. Talk to you guys later. Peace.